Hey people, what's up guys? Hey, Dinotti is back. I just drove in the cans, you know, the festival town, and through the cans. I took a boat to the island Sainte Marguerite, something like that. And I'm walking here. It's kind of like desert. You see, and I'm walking here, finding a beach to chill a little bit, to take a swim, you know, then go back. Then gotta check out the can, take some picture on a red carpet, whatever. You know, I gotta check out the place before, you know, in the future I'm gonna have to get there in business mean, you know, like get a movie award, something like that. May God give you that possibility, or the word, or whatever. So this is it, a little bit from Sainte Marguerite. I'm gonna show you some beach later. People, here you go, like I promised. I'm gonna show you the beach. I just found the shade, a nice place to be, so that sun will not burn me down. So I'm gonna take a swim a little, you know, to chill down. It's a goddamn hot day. So this is Sainte Marguerite, people. See you then later in Cannes, when I'm gonna check some fabulous things to check.